Imagine retiring comfortably years before you thought possible. That secret is concealed in today's decisions. What are these options, and how do they lead to early retirement? Stay tuned, the answers may change your financial future. Hello, and welcome back to Money Craft Masters, where we simplify financial topics into tangible steps. Today's podcast covers Roth IRA versus 401k, an important issue for stress-free retirement. They're more than retirement plans. They may change your financial life. Which one is right for you? Could the correct option accelerate retirement? We'll solve these puzzles to help you make better financial decisions. Let's go together, but you decide the location. You may wonder, how different can these plans truly be? Or can they really affect my retirement? The moment has come to answer these questions. The solutions lay in comprehending Roth IRA and 401k differences. Let's explore the intricacies that might unlock your early retirement. Understanding Roth IRA 401k. Start with the Roth IRA. Imagine a tax-free savings account where you can withdraw money tax-free when you retire. Sounds like a dream? That's Roth IRA. It's about financial flexibility and control, not simply tax savings. Wait, retirement is more complicated. Employers promote the 401k for its greater contribution limits and company match. Imagine if your company matched every dollar you saved, doubling your investment. Consider it a bonus for preparing your future. Tax-wise, the 401k offers upfront benefit, but a different story after retirement. Is one fundamentally superior than the other? Or could employing them in tandem be the ultimate strategy? These questions might affect your retirement timing and method. Remember these questions as we go deeper? The answers are about your lifestyle, objectives, and golden years, not figures. With the foundation established, it's time to go specific. How do these plans operate in practice? How might they affect your finances? Let's peel back the layers and learn about each plan's benefits, which might affect your retirement approach. Roth IRA benefits. Imagine a future without taxes eating into retirement savings. Roth IRAs are like that. Since your donations were taxed, your gains increase tax-free. Retirement withdrawals are tax-free, which is even better. Like sowing a seed that develops into a tree, you may enjoy the fruits without sharing with the taxman. The Roth IRA goes beyond tax benefits. A beacon of adaptability. Need to withdraw donations urgently. Do that without penalty. Buying your first home? A Roth IRA can assist there too. It's like a financial Swiss Army knife. I'll hold that notion. What if you're in a lower tax rate now and foresee a higher one on retirement? The Roth IRA helps you save taxes over time. One side of the coin. Another side? The 401k, its benefits may match your retirement picture. After deciphering Roth IRAs, let's examine the 401k, another retirement powerhouse. Imagine a new retirement savings option. Explore why this plan may be the key to your retirement success. Advantages of 401. Consider your retirement funds a snowball rising larger with each round. 401ks are powerful, especially with increasing contribution limits. Higher savings means higher compound growth over time. It boosts your retirement money. This is the kicker. Employer match. Imagine your company matching every dollar you contribute up to a set percentage. Getting a quick return on your investment is hard to overlook. This is like uncovering a treasure chest in your garden in retirement savings. Let's discuss taxation. Your 401k contributions are pre-tax, cutting your taxable income. If you're in a higher tax rate and expect to retire in a lower one, this may be prudent, deferring some of your pay to a tax-favored time. The 401k has its own complications and implications. There are withdrawal requirements and minimum distributions, unlike Roth IRAs. Don't let this stop you. Understanding these details is essential to creating a retirement plan that suits. Remember, choosing between a Roth IRA and a 401k is a personal financial decision based on your individual financial situation. Wait, there's more. Say I told you a plan that might combine their strengths. Watch for ways to combine these plans to your benefit. Now you know Roth IRAs and 401k's advantages, but now it gets exciting. How about not having to choose? What if combining their talents is the secret to a successful retirement? Let's explore this synergistic strategy that might transform retirement planning. Roth IRA, 401k synergy. Consider weaving a safety net that holds your retirement goals securely. This happens when you deliberately use a Roth IRA and 401k. Besides protecting against tax concerns, diversifying your retirement investments creates a multi-layered financial security blanket. Imagine a two-pronged strategy. The Roth IRA allows tax-free growth and withdrawals, which is advantageous if retirement taxes are higher. However, the 401k reduces taxable income and may offer employer matching, boosting savings today. But how can you balance them? The million-dollar question. The key is knowing your present financial condition, anticipated income, and retirement aspirations. Like a gourmet chef, you know how much of each ingredient to add to make a great dish. And now things grow more exciting. What if your circumstances alter? Your strategy is flexible. Your contributions to each plan might alter as your career, income, and tax laws change. Like sailing through shifting waves, you must modify your path to accomplish your goal. A secure retirement. Remember that your retirement journey is unique as we explore these methods. We'll give you the map. You chart the course. In the following section, we'll examine real-life examples of how differing techniques may drastically alter retirement outcomes. Keep reading because these tips might be the difference between retiring and retiring well. We discovered Roth IRAs and 401ks, strengths and synergy, as we navigated their waters. In practice, how does this all work? Put theory into reality with real-life circumstances that may parallel your financial journey. Real-life scenarios and their impact. Our fictitious characters, Alex and Jordan, have financial difficulties that may be relatable. Alex is a young professional starting her career, whereas Jordan is mid-career with a larger income and various taxes. Look at Alex first. She likes the Roth IRA since she's in a lower tax rate. For tax-free growth, she puts some of her income in a Roth. Alex retires with a large nest fund and no withdrawal taxes. To save more tomorrow, pay a little today. Consider Jordan. He earns more and pays more taxes. Jordan chooses the 401k to reduce his taxable income and receive the employer match. He balances current tax benefits with future tax-free withdrawals by contributing to a Roth IRA. His dual method is like playing both sides of the chessboard for a more flexible retirement fund. These tales demonstrate individualized retirement planning's impact. What about you, your story? Can you adapt these tactics for your financial story? As we conclude, we'll offer some crucial ideas to help you forge your own retirement path. Alex and Jordan's tales are only the beginning. Your financial story is unique, so customize your retirement approach. Let's go on to the third, critical step, customizing these techniques for you. Retirement strategy customization. Everyone's financial situation is different, like their fingerprint. Your retirement plan depends on your present income, expected future earnings, tax concerns, and most importantly, retirement goals. Consider your retirement plan a personalized suit. It must match your current position and be adaptable to future adjustments. Alex, a young professional, may benefit more from a Roth IRA for peak earners like Jordan. A mix of 401k and Roth IRA contributions may be optimum. Separately, but it's not only about Roth IRA versus 401k. Understanding how each plan component fits into your long-term financial strategy is key. Assess employer match, tax consequences, and investing possibilities. Flexed like a strategy game. Your current actions affect your future. As this video concludes, remember that the path to a pleasant retirement is continual and developing. The techniques mentioned today are a start. Your next step, consult a financial professional for customized guidance. They can assist you understand retirement planning and ensure that your approach suits your present and future demands. Money Craft Masters will provide more tips and tactics. We'll keep deciphering personal finance to help you take that next important financial step.